We're very excited to be hosting this year's Art and Soul, our 16th year at the Bob Roode Community Center. We have 20 artisans from around the state, and actually we even have some from out of state. And everything from jewelry, artwork, metalwork, woodwork, photography. We're very excited.
Tell everybody what Art and Soul is.
Art and Soul is a fair that is made up strictly of handmade items. In other words, you can't come here and do retail. It has to be something that you made or crafted yourself. So that's part of our rules, that they have to be homemade or home painted, jewelry, beaded. So it's all unique and individual. You don't see a lot of duplicates here at all.
And the Pahrump Arts Council puts this on?
Pahrump Arts Council has been putting this on, as I said, for almost 16 years. And we're very excited. Next year, we may change the time of year a little bit next year and do it in the fall. We're kind of thinking of that, but it's not carved in stone yet, so we'll see.
And how can people get involved in Art and Soul?
Simply call 751-6776 to learn more about becoming involved with Pahrump Arts Council.
And then Art and Soul for next year, they just would let them know that they're interested in that.
Yes, if you become involved, you can become a member for a very low cost, and then you're on our mailing list and you get notified of all the events sponsored by the Pahrump Arts Council, including the community choir and the fiber arts and so forth. They're all sponsored by PAC.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deanna.
Bye-bye. This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 41.